Hello students, we have discussed in our last lecture unit 4 activity 5 and 6. Now we go as per our activity 7 and 8. Let's start activity 7. You have read a story about making a new dish from waste scraps of vegetables, and we knew that the head cook prepared a new dish avial, famous at Kerala. Understand no? So, the cook looked at the coconut tree and had an idea. He washed and cleaned all the vegetables bits and cooked them in a huge pot. And he prepared a delicious dish, avial. So here in activity 7 we already know about this story, a new dish. Let's think about this some more. First, look at the picture and imagine shopping for a big birthday party. You already know how you enjoy in your birthday party, how you prepare. Understand no? From this picture, see, look, for decoration, so many decorative items in this picture. See no bacche? Look in this picture. Okay. Pretend you have all the money you need for a big party. Work with a group of a partner to name all the things you would buy with your friends, with your siblings, with your parents. You prepare no arrangement of big party. So here you have to mention, for my birthday I would buy festoons, color ribbons, balloons, paper caps, whistles, candles, cake cutting knife, flowers, gifts, chocolate, LED lights, thermocol cuttings, means letters written no in festoons with thermocol letters, happy birthday, thermoballs, colored aluminium foil, glitter, etc. You already aware about these materials, decorative materials. Now work together to imagine all the things that would be left over after the party. You fully enjoyed and messed no your birthday place. So here they talk about after birthday party, what would be left. So name as many things as you can. You will need a big list for the next activity. So here bacche, name as many things as you can. You will need a big list for the next activity. Leftovers after the big birthday party. So you have to write these things name. Chocolate wrappers, festoons, ribbons, paper caps, half burnt candles, LED lights, aluminium foil, burnt candles to be reused. That things we reused, show your mom collected properly and put in proper place. So you can reused, हम फिर से उसका यूज कर सकते हैं. Now we go as per activity 8. In the last activity, you and your classmates made big list of things left over after a party. Compare your list to other list in the class. Did you forget something that another classmate listed? Add to your list if you need to. So they talked about these leftover things. I added thermocol cuttings, paper and plastic vessels, thermoballs to my list. Whatever we forget to add, these things we have to add in our list. Okay बच्चे. So in activity 7 and activity 8 we learned that which things we left over after our party. So be careful in these exercises. I send PDF one by one as per activity. So बच्चे write down as per in textbook and in notebook. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe.